Three things to avoid this Diwali. It's Diwali time and it's festival, and you buy new sweets, new chocolates, and new everything new, right? New dresses and new thoughts. And along with that, I thought three things to avoid so that you take your life to the next level. You bring light into your life, and you are going to throw life into your life, and that is what is possible. I can't do. Anybody in your life can't do. Only you need to do. So, what are the three things you should avoid this Diwali so that you bring life into you bring real life into your life? Are you interested? Hi, hello, this is Ganesh, and your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. And today we are going to see three things. What is our three things? The first one is the get rich scheme. Avoid the scheme at any cost. Meaning, it won't be pushed by me or it won't be pushed by anybody you're watching on screen, because you won't get convincing things. It will be done by one of your close friend, one of your close relative, one of your close near and dear people, neighbors. They will say that come to a place where I'll show you how to make more money. I am making so much money, and he will even show you a lot of stuff like what he bought or got out of this one MLM technique or one MLM thing. So this is a get rich scheme or MLM scheme or pyramid scheme. You name it by any method, you name it anything, you are going to lose your money. Because the problem is, if you lose, it's not maybe the loss is only for yourself, and you bring in some five of your friends, and if they lose, you lose your friendship. That is the most important stuff, right? And you don't know whether the scheme is good, because if you're the first few people, and how it works is that the first layer of people will get some money, the second layer will get lesser money, third layer will get lesser money, and the fourth, fifth, and all other set of people will not get any penny, right? So if you got money, and if you say that I am believing it, I am doing it already, I am into it, and I and you won't even believe that you are into it, because it will look real, it will look absolutely real, and you won't even believe that they are going to wind up the things, and they are going to wind up the business. And just remember one thing to avoid: what is the mode of business and how are they generating money? That is the simplest question. Yeah, now, because the point is, now they are coming in the form of cryptocurrency, they are coming in the form of mobile apps, and they are coming in the form of all the digital age technologies. Once they started with the Ponzi scheme, started in a century before, but right now it's getting new names, new things. They are selling products, they are selling so many things, but now they're coming in mobile apps telling that just use this mobile app, and you'll be able to generate money, lots of money. And that's how they're saying. So don't fall for it, because India is into recession, and today only our FMS acknowledged that. And the things whatever shaping up, so many people will look out to make more money because of job loss. Just remember, if you lost job and if you have lesser money, try to make sure what is that one possible thing you can do with that money. Either you can learn something new, you can work something new, and there are lots of opportunities to do that. Instead, if you go to a get rich scheme, and meaning saying that you will be able to make money, you lose your life, and that's it. You lose your friendship, you lose your everybody who are with you. And that is the reason I'm saying, why this one thing in your life from now on till the next Diwali, and it should be for lifetime. Let's practice avoiding the get rich scheme in your life. And what you can do, the next thing is high expenses. Because expenses, we would have been doing a lot of stuff the way we are doing till now, and right now in the last 6 months things are changing because of COVID. The expenses have gone down actually, because I checked in my community. When I asked people, they say that expenses have gone down, they are saving a lot. But now things are opening up, economy is opening up, festivals are seasons are coming up. And once, let's not go to the revenge shopping, because it happened in China. In China, when COVID was there for more than 76 days, I think they were in lockdown. And when things were open, everybody went into buying new clothes, new things, and new electronics and everything. And it looked like a revenge shopping in all the branded things. And uh, even the retail shop owners didn't believe what is happening, and they termed that coin as revenge shopping. And it might happen here also as well, because it's not related to country wise, because it's a common phenomenon. Like people will, if you just keep yourself like not spending money, and you have lots of money, and if you feel like I need to do something, and if you go out, you will just keep on spending, buying things, whether you don't know whether you will use it or not. That is the kind of things which is happening right now. So the next thing, because this is accidentally the savings that happen. And if you look at in the last 8 months, right from in January month, the savings rate was around 10%. Right now it was around 21%. That is a stats provided by our finance minister. So how much you are uh, s- saving, that is the most important part. Because if you cut down expenses, automatically your savings rate will increase, and that is how the people are doing. If you're still spending a lot of money, or you started spending a lot of money, just think of what the hell you're doing in your life, and you need to cut it down, at least now. That is what I'm saying. And finally, the next point is the blind investments. No one invests. Either it's stock market, chit funds, or insurance, or mutual funds, or whatever. You need to know what is happening in that kind of investments, and then you do. Because most of the time we just invest for the sake of a PR, just like get rich scheme. This is one more way of doing blind investment. Get rich scheme is, it's crystal clear, because once you lose your money, you know that I won't go into those kind of schemes, and you'll be very much aware, and very much beware of all those people. But when it comes to blind investments, you fall it off, because people will come and say that insurance is your safety. I'm saying for your safety, I'm saying for your child education. Why are you not doing it? Are you not taking care of your family? This is the kind of questions they ask. But the real investment, is it happening? The real investment, is it working? Is your money working? All these are things you need to consider. So these 3 points, these three important stuff. The first thing is get rich scheme, avoid that. And the second thing is high expenses, avoid at any cost until you have 10 months of emergency funds saved up, or else you are going to lose your sleep, lose everything. Your stress level will start increasing. And finally, the blind investment. Stop doing all those stuff, because these are three things which you should avoid from now on this Diwali, and bring light into your portfolio, or right into your life. And let's invite more money. Let's invite Goddess Lakshmi, if you believe in God, and make sure your life is going to the next level. Meaning, you're bringing wealth. You are saying that I am ready to have wealth. Because once you cut down all these nonsense way of investing, nonsense way of accumulating money, automatically the proper way of investing money, you will try to find it out. You will invest in stock market, you will invest in mutual fund knowingly, and you will invest in gold, looking at the way the cycle is shaping up. And that period you will catch, instead of staying for a long time in real estate, gold, and not knowing where to at what time you need to enter, what time you need to exit. All these are things you should learn, so that you're taking advantage of the situation, right? So are you ready to bring light into your life by avoiding these three things? Please provide a thumbs up in the comment section, so that I know you are ready, and you're going to celebrate Diwali like anything this time, because you are ready to take your life, and you are ready to really bring Diwali into your life. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button and share this video with your friends if you love it. And please click and subscribe to my video, so that I keep posting so many interesting contents uh, for your benefit and for your friends' benefit, because you are going to share if it is good, right? So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you so much.